what's up with it, fam? Welcome back to the channel, man. And on today's video, man, as you can see by the thumbnail, bruh, the GT is on a spare, man. And I had an accident, man. Somebody ended up trying to hit their brakes, couldn't react fast enough in time. They weren't paying attention, ended up hitting the side of the GT. Moral of the story is, man, when stuff like this happens, man, file a police report. Call the police right then and there, man. Don't go to the police station later, something like that, man, because, you know, you end up doing like me, paying out of pocket. Luckily, I found two brand new tires, 285, 35, 45. I mean, I can't even talk because the damn dog got to bark. Some 285, 35, 18s that are going on the car. Two of them, which is cool because, you know, these tires right here, they have already been plugged. Well, it's already been plugged once, and you know, I see you got some little dry rot cracks, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying, nothing major. And yeah, and you can also see what happened, because I didn't notice that the tire was split like that. Apparently this was first split. I throw the picture up. That's what first split. I was driving, talking on the phone with my girl, and that son bitch just exploded just like that. Luckily, no rim damage other than this light little nick right here. That's it though. And it's cool because this is the tire I had bad brake dust on. Don't know why. So since it's off, I can, you know, try to clean that up. The tires are coming in Thursday, man. I did, you know, Amazon Prime delivery, paid for fast shipping. So, you know what I'm saying? And I never use Amazon. I'm a big eBay guy. But yeah, Amazon, I ordered them off of there. So they're going to be here real soon, man. Like I said, man, let's get it, man. We finna go and get into it. Have a beautiful day. Have a very productive day. So let's get it. Here's my dash cam, fam, the one I told y'all about. But it's crazy, man. My tires are gonna be here Thursday. You see, I have two, and they are, let me see, 285, 35, 18s, and those are exactly what I need. So tires are gonna be on the way, man. If y'all like this video, man, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think, man. And you know what I'm saying? It's crazy that what happened, but it's what it is. I can't complain. I'm gonna bounce back, y'all, but I'm gonna holler at y'all. All right, fam, I know I closed the video out early, but my tires came in the next day, bruh. Amazon is the truth. These are my Lexani. They are some 285, 35, 18s like I showed y'all on the phone. Bruh, my tires came in the next freaking day. I ordered these Tuesday at like 3 in the morning, bruh. And I ended up getting my tires Wednesday at like around 9 a.m. My tire just came. It's 9:55. I say my tires just made it like 25 minutes ago. Like, bruh, my tires are in one day, bruh. I paid the extra like 50 or whatever for shipping or whatever, but it was worth it, dude. Oh, excuse me. It was worth it, bro. My tires are in already. These are DOT approved. These are brand new tires. Look at the tread on them. Look at those 285s, bro. Look at them 285s, bro. I paid basically like $100 a tire, like the same I pay for my tires on the V6. Basically $100 a tire, but I pay extra on shipping and stuff like that. This is a good deal, bro. Like, look at these tires. Look at these fucking tires. But that's enough of me talking. I'm finna go get these tires put on, bro. I'm freaking excited, dude. Without further ado, man, let's get it. Let's go and get these tires mounted. I'm ready to get out this damn donut.
I'm just trying to run on my set. Go hit the corner and re-up the pack. Make a few plays and beat on her back. Got hella hoes, return of the Mac. But I'm never cuffing cause you just a knack. Fuck all them colors, just throw on some black. Fuck all that hate cause I came for the stats. Don't fuck with the fake, only fuck with the facts. I want the money, bitch. Reminiscing on decks as they hit them licks. Keep it loaded and this ain't no semi-stick. She too bloated, I need me a pretty bitch. Put them paws on a nigga head, yeah. And don't think it's sweet, I keep me some lead. I stuff some racks in my mattress. Niggas can't match me, start no Patrick. Pussy niggas lacking, yeah. I'm just trying to run on my sack. Go hit the corner and re-up the pack. Make a few plays and beat on her back. Got hella hoes, return of the Mac. But I'm never cussing cause you just a knack. Fuck all them colors, just throw on some black. Fuck all that hate cause I came for the stats. Don't fuck with the fake, only fuck with the facts.
Alright, fam, so we are leaving U-Haul. Oh shit. I just listened to a song by Lucci. Alright, fam, so we finna leave Walmart right now. But as you can see, we have the brand new Lexani tires on here. You know, they had all that lube and shit on there when I pulled out from Rapid Oil. You know, I smashed it a little bit. Wheels need to be a little clean. They need to be cleaned a little bit. And that little scuff, that's something I did. Don't don't roast my ass. I was leaving the bank, wasn't paying attention. And then, you know, this is the one. Now we got the donut off of the car. Then the other tire, you know, I kept it, you know, because it's a little dry rotted, the one that's in the trunk, but I ain't worried about it. We back with the original look, man. Them 285s. I couldn't tell how, you know what I'm saying, much of a difference they make, but Drew, check it out now. Them 265s up front and 285s in the back. We bounced back hard, man. We bounced back hard, bro. We weren't gonna let none of that defeat us, none of that break us. I bounced back. And guess what? I made an appointment to get some tint today, man. Finally finna get the GT tinted, man. Okay. It's time to get this thing tinted. So she hit me and I came back twice as hard, man. Coming back with tint. Got my new tires put on, brand new 285s on this thing. Got the meats on the car once again. That's what I'm talking about. It feel good though, man.
Hate cause I came for the stacks. Don't fuck with the fake, only fuck with the facts.
Ooh, that motherfucker. Oh my goodness.
I'm just trying to run on myself.
Alright fam, so the GT is tinted and it looks good, bro. It's gonna take some getting used to, cause like I ain't used to having tint in this thing. But it looks so good, bro. I gotta show y'all from the outside. This is 20%. You know what I'm saying? Some side I won't get messed with. Some light, some slight. I was thinking about doing 15, but I just did 20 to be on the safe side, cause 20 is a good kind of in-between type of tint. Like it's dark, but then you know what I'm saying, it ain't just, you know what I'm saying, bang, you feel me? It's like I said, a good in-between. Something dark enough the way you won't get messed with, but it's also something that's like dark enough so people can't just be looking all in your car. I was gonna do, you know, the whole windshield tinting and stuff, but I think it looks good the way it is like this, so that's what I'm gonna keep it. But I fucks with it. I'm gonna show y'all the outside of it, but it look really good to me.
I'm just trying to run on my sack. Go hit the corner and re-up the pack. Make a few plays and beat on her back. Got